Hi everyone. Today, we're learning English words for things you can find in the bedroom. Bed. I made the bed this morning before going to work. Bedside lamp. She turned off the bedside lamp and fell asleep. Alarm clock. My alarm clock goes off at 7 every morning. Dressing table. She keeps her makeup neatly arranged on the dressing table. Chest of drawers. I keep my t-shirts and socks in the chest of drawers. Mirror. He looked in the mirror to fix his tie. Wardrobe. Her wardrobe is full of summer clothes. Bedside table. There's a book and a glass of water on the bedside table. Hairbrush. She picked up her hairbrush and began brushing her hair. Blanket. It was cold, so I added an extra blanket to the bed. Pillow. I always sleep with two pillows. Mattress. This mattress is very soft and comfortable. Wardrobe mirror. He checked his outfit in the wardrobe mirror. Curtains. I opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Carpet. The bedroom carpet is soft and warm underfoot. Slippers. He left his slippers by the side of the bed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.